hands down the best siding brand for 2026, and it's really been the case for the last 15 years, has been James Hardie siding products. There's a lot of third-party studies and reviews that have been done. James Hardie siding products delivers the best return on investment year over year of any exterior product you can put on your home, typically ranging in the 76 to 77% range. They've really kind of proven themselves over the last 20 years of being the go-to high-quality siding product for your home. Now, I will say, for our clients that are looking at vinyl siding, Provia is a very high-quality brand. Just like they make very high-quality windows and doors, they've really embraced the vinyl siding space to make a really high-quality but affordable vinyl siding product, which is a good fit for some of our clients' homes. And so that's what we use, and it's worked out really well. But again, if you're looking for absolute best, it would be James Hardie siding.